Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I've got another little shoe haul for you. I did one a few days ago, I can't remember now, and I've got another one today. So I've picked up a few pairs of, I'd say, shoes that are crossing over into the autumn season. So I got a couple of pairs of trainers. One is for the gym, and then the other one is kind of like, I'd say like casual sort of trainers. They're a bit like Converse. And then I've also got a pair of loafers as well. So I'll just show you the box that they came in. So they come in a shoe box that looks like this. These are from a company called FITVILLE. So FITVILLE shoes they're kind of like, they're not just your standard shoe, if you know what I mean. The soles are actually like a patented design that help with cushioning and elasticity. So yeah, they're kind of like, there's a little bit more to them, should we say, than your standard shoe. So I've got a little bit here on the website which I'll just read to you now. So the wide toe box and high instep offer top class experience. The shock absorbing pad helps alleviate heel pain. The heel ring reduces overpronation and prevents spraining, and the anti-skid rubber ensures your safer walk. So yeah, for someone like myself that has scoliosis, obviously I have a curved spine, so I have a little bit of an instep as I stand up. It's not so prominent when I'm walking, but certainly when I'm standing up, and it does actually affect me when I walk because yeah, it's obviously my hips aren't quite even, so I find that kind of, it's not noticeable, but my foot, it's kind of like that, if you know what I mean. So having a sole in a shoe like this is really, really helpful for me. So we're going to look at the first pair. So I've already shown you the box. So inside we open it up and it's like this. So we've got, this is actually biodegradable material, which is great. You know, there's no plastic or anything like that. And then each shoe comes in its own little kind of like dust bag as well. So these are the casual type trainers that I bought. I really like these. I think these are really nice. So they're obviously white, and yet they do remind me a lot of Converse. And they've got this really nice chunky sole on them as well. And it's kind of like corrugated. I love it. So the bottom of the sole is like this. So as it said, it's got this kind of like anti-skid sole to it. And then inside, these are so spongy. I think they're actually memory foam, but they're so spongy, the soles. So you can imagine how comfortable that would be. But yeah, these ones have got this kind of like canvasy material all over. So they're kind of like, I'd say, spring, summer, autumn. And then they've got this fraying around the edge as well, which I actually thought was really quite cool. And then obviously we've got these white laces on there too. And then a rubber toe just here. So yeah, I think these are really, really nice. Really nice. These could go with, you know, they'd look nice with jeans, they'd look nice with skirts, anything, to be honest. I think these are a beautiful design. And yeah, if I show you, I don't know if I can, it's probably better on the try on, but you can see slightly there. So it kind of goes in. So on your, it's a bit more obvious on that side. So on your instep, as you can see, it's kind of like gonna make you stand more like that rather than like that. It's really hard to explain, but it's much more comfortable when they're on. As I say, on the little try-ons that I've done, it's probably a lot more noticeable. So then I picked up some trainers for the gym. So I've got these ones. These are really cute. I like this. I like the color. I love this kind of dusky pink color. So yeah, we've got kind of like different patterns and materials all over them, and then we've got this really nice chunky heel on them again as well, which, you know, for fitness is absolutely great. I thought they'd be perfect for the gym. Well, I know they are because I have actually worn them. I tried them out last week and I thought, right, I'm going to give them a go so I can give my honest review. But yeah, mega comfy, so comfy, really nice. The treadmill was a breeze with these on, to be honest, with regards to my feet. I didn't feel anything as uncomfortable, should we say, as I did before I started wearing these. But yeah, the sole is so spongy. It's like you're walking on a really soft carpet. But yeah, really, really lovely sole. I love these. And then perfect lazy girl shoes. These are These are elasticated laces here, and then we just have our Velcro on the top here. Sorry if you don't like the sound of Velcro. But yeah, and then as I said, we've got this really beautiful sole in here as well. And yeah, mega comfy, just really, really nice and comfy. Absolutely love these. So there's the sole for you. So it's like this. And then very lastly are these absolutely adorable loafer ballet shoes. So these ones are, they've got this really, I love this bow. I love bows anyway. I'm a bit obsessed with bows. But yeah, so we've got a pointed toe on them. And then we have a slightly higher back to the heel here. So obviously for more support. And then the sole is like this. They're very flexible, which is great. So not being funny, you know, if you're on a night out and you've got heels on and you want to take your heels off and put something in your bag, you can actually fit these into your bag quite easily. I've done that in the past actually with some like cheap ballet shoes, but yeah, ideal. But yeah, look at the sole or the insole on these. It's kind of like made for comfort. So we've got this, so I wish I could show you how spongy it is. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but it is so spongy. It's like walking on memory foam. It really is. It might be memory foam. I think I said that earlier. But yeah, but it continues all the way. Can you see that? All the way to the toe as well. So comfortable. Mega comfortable. And then, as I say, we've got this really gorgeous little bow on the front here as well. I think these look really, really nice. I've said before that I think a lot of people have said to me, I know my son, I mean, he's 18, but he's like, oh, they look like old lady shoes, which, you know, some people think they do. But I think these look really classy with some jeans and a blazer. I just always have done. I think they're really, really nice and comfortable. You know, you can't go wrong with comfort, can you? Especially with shoes. So yeah, there we go. There's my little shoe haul from FITVILLE. Yeah, I'm really pleased with them. Really pleased. The trainers are so comfy for the gym. They really are. And as I say, those kind of like ballet loafer type shoes, really, really comfy. So if, you know, for a day out shopping or something like that, perfect. So as always, all products that I've shown in today's video, I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.